Ho, 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 ho!
Welcome to day 3 of our daily Batmobile build. Last episode, yesterday, we did this. We're still working on this sort of front section, and we got this steering mechanism in. So let's get into bag 3. All right, that's it for bag number 3 for day 3. So we're just kind of building up this front section. We got the steering in, and that is it. Stay tuned tomorrow for bag number 4.